Okay, so I'm outside. I'm on the inside of the left side of the yard. I'm gonna go and see if that AC is gas or not. So we got a gate right here. This gate is intact. The other gate is gonna need to be replaced because it's broken. That's the crawl space. I'm not gonna go in there right now. I don't have my tools. This is the space where I told you we need to fix that plumbing. You can see it's just this diamond plate holding this hole closed. Otherwise you will fall in there. See that? So that needs to get fixed. So the drain is coming out the house from right there. Okay, now I see the unit. It is gas, but the gas will be on tomorrow. And this unit is pretty old. I think it was installed like 2000, the year 2000. There used to be units in the windows, not the window, but you see that. So I think it might not take much to get this unit back up. And my cabinet guy knows, okay, looks like they've removed that piece, and I don't see it down here. I wanted to see if I left something in here. No, that's just trash.